Western Lee County, southeastern Travis County, southeastern Williamson County, until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Austin, San Marcos, Pflugerville,
Yeah, right. When they say it's life-threatening, it's not life-threatening.
Bastrop, Luling, Wimberley,
If it was life-threatening, they would issue a flash flood emergency.
Rollingwood, Martindale, Ulen, Mustang Ridge, and Thrall. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The current time is 12:47 a.m. Central.